Good morning, everybody. Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe. Today I am telling you about Bhagavad Gita, how to meditation by the Bhagavad Gita. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is greater than all, attainably by allowed devotion, although he is present in his abode. He is all pervading and everything is situated within him. It is here clearly stated that the supreme destination from which there is no return is the abode of Krishna. The Supreme Person, the Brahma Srimad, described this supreme abode and Ananda Chinmaya Ras, in place of where everything is full of spiritual bliss. All the variegatedness manifest there is of the quality of spiritual bliss. Nothing there is material world. That variegatedness is expanded as the spiritual explanation of the Supreme Godhead Himself. For the manifestation there is totally of supreme energy, spiritual energy, as explained in chapter 7. As far as this material world is concerned, although the Lord is always in his supreme abode, he none either less, all pervading his material energy. So by his spiritual and material energies he is present everywhere, both in the material and the spiritual universe. To enter Sri Krishna supreme abode or the unmemorable Vaikuntha plants is possible only by bhakti, devotional service, as clearly indicated here by the word bhaktiya. No other process can help on attain the supreme abode. The Vedas 1.21 Gopala Tampani Upanishad 1.21 is also describe the supreme abode and the supreme personality of Godhead. Abode, there is only one supreme personality of Godhead, whose name is Krishna. He is the supreme merciful deity, and although situated there as on, he has expanded himself into millions and millions of plenary expansions. The Vedas compare the Lord to a tree standing still yet bearing many varieties of fruits, flowers and changing leaves. varieties persons. The expressions of the Lord who preside over the Vaikuntha plants are four-armed. They are known by variety of names: Purushottam, Trivikarma, Keshava, Madhava, Aniruddha, Rishikesh, Sanskarsana, Pradyumna, Sridhara, Vasudeva, Damodara, Janardana, Narayana, Vamana, Padmanabhad, etc. The Brahma Srimad Bhagavat 5:37 is always supreme about God. Golok Ved Vardhanvana, he is providing so that everything is going on nicely. Then, O best of the Bharats, I shall now explain to you the different type of at which passing away from this world the yogi does or does not come back. The unallowed devotee of the Supreme Lord who are totally surrendered souls do not care when they leave their bodies or by what method. There they leave everything in Krishna's hands and so easily and happily return to Godhead. But those who are not unallowed devotees and who depend instead on such methods of spiritual realization and karma yoga, jnana yoga, hatha yoga, must leave the body at suitable time in order to be sure of whether is not they will return to the world of birth and death. No return, birth and death. If the yogi perfect, he can select the time, situation for leaving this material world. But if he is not so expert, his success depends on his accidentally passing away at a certain suitable time. The suitable times at which on passes away and does not come back are explained by the Lord in the next verse. According to Acharya Baladev Vidyabhushan, the Sanskrit word kala used herein refer to the preceding deity of time. Those who know Supreme Brahman attain that Supreme by passing away from the world during the influence of the fiery God in the light at auspicious moment of the day during the fortnight of the waxing moon or during the 6th month when the sun travels in the north, when one fire light day and the fortnight of the moon are mentioned, is to be understood that over all of them there are various presenting duties deities who make arrangements for the passage of the soul at the time of death. The mind carrier won the path of to the new life. One leaves the body at the time designated above, either accidentally or by arrangement. It is possible for him to attend the inspirational Brahma Jyoti mystic who are advanced in yoga practice can arrange the time and place to leave the body. Others who no control if by accident they leave at an unspecious movement, they will not return to the cycle of birth and death, but to the cycle of birth and death. But otherwise there is every possibility that they will have to return. However, for the pure devotee in Krishna consciousness, there is no fear of returning, where whatever he leaves to body at an unspecious or inauspicious movement by accident or arrangement. That means clearly the Krishna conscious person's death and birth in cycling nothing in his body. Who persons conscious Lord Krishna conscious person always spiritual motivated by Gita. How to motivate by Gita? How to understand my mind control by Bhagavad Gita? Explain by Bhagavad Gita. There are so many persons who have asked to me how to meditate, how to free from stress in my mind, in my lifeline. Then I would like to say somebody, you can read Bhagavad Gita and chanting, always chanting with mala, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Spiritual meditation by the mantra. Spiritual meditate in your mind and control by the chanting, always chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. All ISKCON temple members around the world, Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe, Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe.